friends, it's your old pal, Mrs. Springer. Jesus bless you, I miss you. Today's writing video is going to be talking about making some new letters with tall grass and curves. But before we do that, let's remember about what tall grass looks like. Remember, always start your letters at the top, top, top. Always start your letters at the top, top, top. Never at the bottom, always at the top. Always start your letters at the top, top, top. When we make our tall grass, we're going to start at the top and go down and bump the line. Start at the top, down, and bump. We learned how to make pancakes, but we're not going to use any pancakes today, but it never hurts to practice making those nice straight pancakes from left to right. Today, we're going to use some curves to make letters. Sometimes we're going to curve around this way and make a belly. And so we're going to use purple to make bellies. We might need a big belly, or we might need a little belly. Sometimes we will make curves curving the other way, kind of giving it a behind part. And we only need a big curve for that right now. And in fact, that's going to be one of our first letters. So let's get started. And as I said, our first letter is only going to be a big curve. And it's an important curve to learn because it's a magic C. And the magic C, while it's the only capital letter that does just a curve that way, a lot of lowercase letters start with a magic C. So we want to learn how to do that really well. Start at the top. We're going to curve towards this way, back around and back up. Make a big curve this way, down, around, and back up. When you're starting, you're going to go curve. If you're right-handed, you're going to curve towards your other side of your body. If you're left-handed, you're going to curve away from your other side of the body. So you want to practice making that big curve, and that big curve is a letter all by itself. That's the letter C. So one big curve, letter C. That's an easy one. Now let's talk about some that use tall grass and then a curve. So I'm going to start at the top and make a tall grass. Now, this time I'm going to make my belly curve, and I'm going to make a really big curve going away from that stick and then back. Look at that. Tall grass and a big curve. That makes the letter D. Let's try that again. Tall grass and a big belly curve. That's the letter D. D. I can do it in just the color black. I can make tall grass and a big belly curve. That's the letter D. Let's look at another letter with tall grass. I can start at the top, top, top with a big tall grass. I'm going to make some more belly curves, but this time I'm not going to make one big one. I'm going to start at the top and just come back down to the middle. And then I'm going to make another one under it and go all the way to the bottom. Tall grass with two curves is the letter B. Let's try that again. I'm going to make tall grass starting at the top and then go back to the top and make a curve to the middle. And then another curve to the bottom. Remember to use those three strongest fingers to hold your pencil or crayon or marker, because those are going to help you make really good letters. Tall grass, curve at the top, curve at the bottom. That makes our letter B. We have one more letter that is only tall grass and curve. So we're going to make one more line here, and that is this letter, tall grass, and it starts a lot like that letter B, but only going to do the curve at the top and then stop. Now I have the letter P. Watch again, tall grass, and then just the curve at the top. That's the letter P. Let's try it with just one color. Tall grass, back up to the top, curve at the top. That's the letter P. Anytime you are making a letter that has a tall stick, you always want to do the tall stick first and then add your curves. So today we have made the letter C, which is just a big curve. The letter B, which is tall grass and two curves. The letter P, which is tall grass and one curve. And the letter D, which is tall grass and a big curve. 4 letters we learned today. I hope you had fun practicing writing. Write lots, do lots. Have a wonderful day. Jesus bless you. I miss you. Bye-bye.